choose LE. Any demand gives you peace of mind. In the wave of intelligent manufacturing, LE Robotics, with innovation as its wings, with AI at its heart, soaring at the pinnacle of technology. As the treasure of an international enterprise group, the group's revenue has surpassed $1 billion milestone. We harness the strength of the group to forge the brilliance of LE Robotics. LE Robotics Company, rooted in core technologies, breaking through technical barriers, achieving exceptional advancements in high-end intelligent welding technology. Our meticulously crafted teaching-free, programming-free, autonomous mobile robots provide one-stop intelligent production solutions for the manufacturing industry. With the philosophy of integrity, LE's commitment, serving global customers, defining new standards in intelligent manufacturing. LE Robotics, addressing the complex welding and cutting process requirements of large non-standard structural components, independently innovates, achieving robot programming-free automated welding technology, comprehensively covering various production application scenarios, including large engineering machinery, construction machinery, petroleum, machinery manufacturing, and more, able to meet requirements of different materials and processes. LE Robotics has successfully developed Robotic Welder Series, Robotic Cutter Series, Smart Robotic Factory Solution, core technologies such as 3D vision, AI technology, SLAM autonomous navigation, robot control, etc., achieving automation and intelligence in traditional enterprise production, solving the long-standing difficulties of programming and teaching in the industry, completely overturning traditional welding models, assisting enterprises in enhancing production efficiency and product competitiveness. Customers introducing LE Robotics can recover their investment in just 1.5 years, with a 10-year return on investment as high as 152.41%. Our Smart Robotic Factory Solutions Tunnel Rebar Intelligent Production Line features full process robotic operations. Customers can place orders in real time via mobile devices. Customized information management platform. Multi-robot collaboration. Operational efficiency increased by 200%. Product quality improved by 30%. Meeting personalized production needs. Achieving intelligent and unmanned full-line production. LE Robotics. Professionalism creates value. Innovation drives development. Our R&D team gathers top talents. Collaborating with global top universities, leading domestic universities, renowned central enterprises, and Silicon Valley R&D centers. Promoting technological innovation. The company's partners include dozens of domestic Fortune 500 companies, as well as numerous internationally renowned multinational companies in Southeast Asia, Central Asia, North America, South America, and other regions. With R&D strength and production capacity, brand influence, customer resources, and global presence, LE Group has won multiple honors, authorized hundreds of patents, and multiple PCT international patents. In the future, LE Robotics will continue to research and innovate, launching market-leading new products, upholding the mission of pursuing excellence. Only a starting point, no end point. Shouldering the mission of core technology creates the future, assisting manufacturing enterprises in the wave of innovation. Opening a new chapter in intelligent manufacturing. LE Robotics, core technology, creating the future. For welding and cutting, choose LE. Any demand gives you peace of mind.